Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the bounce text effect in CapCut PC. So first I'm going to select library and drag this black screen to the track, and I'm going to select text to add default text and just for the duration and the same length with the duration of the text. And I'm going to change for the text. For example, alright, you can change for font style, font size, and the color. Right after done, you are just going to select the clips and right click and then create compound clip. Go to effect, video effect, select night clip, and you can find the place bounce. Just add the track. But this effect is pro effect. You have to join Propers to be able to use this effect. So this is the final result you have on your text. Alright, you can adjust for the option right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.